Welcome to this gorgeous Encore Residence 2 home in the gated community of Griffin Ranch. Just 3 years new, this contemporary home features an open floor plan with 4 spacious bedrooms, 4.5 baths, and bonus room. The great room has 13 ceilings, gas fireplace, and 10 sliding glass doors that open to the completely private courtyard featuring a saltwater pool and spa for that ultimate indoor/outdoor living experience. With this south-facing home, be sure not to miss those panoramic mountain views and gorgeous sunsets. The kitchen offers beautiful quartz countertops with Thermador appliances, including a 48 refrigerator/freezer, double oven, 6-burner gas cooktop West/griddle, microwave, dishwasher, and built-in beverage center. Bifold windows open to a matching quartz bar and built-in barbecue. Quartz countertops continue throughout the home, as well as custom plantation shutters and modern ceiling fans. Other features include automated Hunter Douglas shades, smart lighting, and 3-car garage. Relax outside by a large gas fire pit while enjoying meticulously maintained landscaping with upgraded lighting, beautiful palms, olive trees, and a variety of desert perennials. This location is within walking distance of all Griffin Ranch amenities, including fitness center, heated pool, pickleball and tennis courts, putting green, dog park.